How do you change the thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts videos? It's really easy, but the options are really hidden, so I can walk you through this step by step. And you only need your phone to do this. As you know, YouTube Shorts look so much better when they have a thumbnail that shows what's actually in the video. First, we'll go into the main YouTube app, not YouTube Studio, and then we can press on the U icon, that's your face or avatar, in the bottom right hand corner. That brings up this page. Scroll down to your videos and click on that, and then we can scroll down to the YouTube Short where you want to change the thumbnail. Find the three dots to the right hand side of the video listing here. This brings up a menu. One of the options is Edit. If we click on Edit, this brings up Edit Video. On the thumbnail at the top here, there's a pencil icon. And if we click on the pencil icon, it opens the video. There's a frame at the bottom of the screen, and we can scroll through our video to find a frame that can work well for a thumbnail for this YouTube Shorts. This video is about delicious croissants, so I don't need a thumbnail showing me. I want a thumbnail that shows the delicious croissants. We've got to be patient with this because it is really difficult to get the exact frame to land on the exact moment that's best for the thumbnail. But when we have found one, we can also add a filter or some text by pressing on the letters icon and then typing in a banner and press done. We can stretch and move the text to wherever we want it. Just click on the tick in the top right hand corner when you're done. You now have a new thumbnail for your YouTube Shorts video. Congratulations. If this is working for you, let me know in the comments down below, and thank you for clicking the thumbs up or the subscribe button. It really helps me to keep this channel going. And right here are even more awesome YouTube tips and tricks for your channel.
Can you please help my dad get to 1 million subscribers? Just click on his face,